Hi everyone, welcome to the page once again. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, if you are old to the channel, thank you for being on the channel, and don't forget to comment on the page as well. Alright, so in today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to design certificate in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's jump straight into Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so the version of Photoshop that I'm using is Adobe Photoshop CS6. Alright, so if yours is not this version, don't worry, we all have the same outcome. Alright, so let's start our work. So let's go to file and let's pick new, and then let's change our unit to pixels. Okay, and then today our width is going to be 1025 pixels, and our height is going to be 704 pixels, and our resolution is going to be 100, and our color mode is going to be CMYK color, and then I'll hit on OK. Alright, so this is my background created. Alright, so let's double click on the padlock over here and hit on OK. Now let's go to FX and let's pick gradients overlay. Alright, so double click inside the gradients box over here and let's pick this gradient over here, and then let's check out the code, and this is the code AE6F32. hit on OK. Let's check out the next, and the code to that one is F7GFE8A. okay, and hit on OK. And then let's put this one on radial, and then let's reverse that color to something like that, and let's open this up and let's put the angle on 90 degrees, and let's hit on OK. Alright, so we'll get something like this. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is let's lock the background layer. Alright, so let's go to our shape tool and let's pick rectangle tool like that, and then let's make a rectangle like this over here. Then let's select this rectangle, rotate that like this, move that to this very end, and position it. Alright, so we'll get something like that over there. Now double click or right click on that and go to blending options, and let's pick gradient overlay, pick that, and let's come here, and the color code we are going to use, let's check out the code 1G232A and hit on OK. Let's check out for the next, and that is 5D59BAE9 and hit on OK. And let's send our mouse pointer out and let's position this over here, and let's change the inside to radial, and let's reverse the color to something like that. And our angle, let's change the angle to 120, and then let's position this properly. Okay, then from there let's hit on OK. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to duplicate this shape, so Ctrl J, and let's duplicate that. Send the duplicated one out, and then position that properly over there, and hit on the check button there. Bring down the duplicated rectangle beneath the original rectangle drawn. Okay, so that will get something like that. Now double click on the gradients overlay at the bottom there, open your gradient, and then let's pick our gradients over here, and the code to that is BB842E. then you hit on OK, and the next one is F4D971. then you hit on OK. Then let's hit on OK again, and let's move this side in a little bit. Alright, then hit on OK. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to pick our shape tool again, and that is rectangle tool again, and let's draw a rectangle like this over here. Then right click on that and let's go to blending options, and let's go to gradient overlay, and let's open that up, and let's pick our gradients from here, and then the code to that is 242E34. then hit on OK. The next one is 38348B. then you hit on OK. from here, and let's reverse this color, put that on radial, and then let's move that and let's change here to -135 as our angle. Okay, then hit on OK over there, move this to this end and rotate that. Send your mouse pointer close to it and it will change like this. Rotate it like this and then move it to this very level. Position that over there properly. So something like that. Now let's close this a little bit and push that inside. Okay, and that is okay over there for me. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to select all of the shape here, holding down shift and select all, and then Ctrl G and let's group that. Then let's double click on that and say shape 1. Okay, then Ctrl J and let's duplicate that group. Let's name that shape 2. Okay, now move shape 2 out like this to this very end. Go to edit and let's go to transform and let's go to rotate. Let's go to flip horizontal like that. Let's go to edit again, transform and flip vertical. So we'll get something like that. Now position this inside like that over here. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to go to our file and let's go to place and let's go to a file which I'll be making available in a link in the description, so you check that out. Okay, so let me pick this. Okay, right click on that and rasterize that layer. Pick your magic wand tool and hit at the white part here. Hit on backspace key to delete that. Ctrl D to deselect the selection and hit on backspace key and let's hit on backspace key. Okay, Ctrl D to deselect. Now close this up a little bit like that and let's position this over here to something like that. Let's close this up a little bit again. All right, now let's go to file again. Let's go to place and let's bring in this. Okay, and let's position that and let's put that on top over here. Okay, send it to the top a little bit. Okay, let's bring this one to down. Okay, let's check that out. So this one has to come down a little bit. Okay, all right, now let's pick our type tool. Pick your type tool. Okay, and the font. All right, so let's type there. Let's go to our text and let's copy certificate. Ctrl C and let's copy that. Then Ctrl V and let's paste that over there. Position that over here like that. Open your character box. If yours does not appear here like this, don't worry, go to window. Okay, just go to window and go to character and it will appear here for you like that. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is to reduce the spacing. Okay, so let me put the spacing to 5. All right, so that you get something like that. Let's position this over here. Okay, then let's remove this to this side a little bit. Okay, then this one too, let's extend it here. All right, now let's pick our type tool again and let's go to our file and let's copy this and let's paste that over here. So I want to change that. I change all to caps with the help of this. Okay, and let's change them. We change the font to Acrobat, and then let me put that on semi bold. Okay, and the height to 100, and let's reduce this to this. Okay, to something like that. Now let me change the color from here to black. All right, so now let me select this as well. Go to blending options, and let's go to gradient, and let's change the color to a more preferred color like that. Then let's check out the code. So that is 95551A, and hit on OK. And then the next one is B5691E, then hit on OK. All right, so let's work around this. Now let's give a little shadow for this, and then the distance, I want the distance to be 4, and then the size to also be 4, then the spread should be 2. I think that is looking good over there for me. Then let's go to bevel and emboss a little bit, and let's change the style to stroke emboss to something like that. Okay, then from there let's hit on OK. So that is it over there. Now let's pick our type tool again. Sorry, let's go to our shape tool. Let's pick our ellipse tool. Now let's make an ellipse like this around this. Okay, and let's change the color to black. Okay, let's select the 3, and let's center that over there. All right, let's pick our type tool again, and let's go to this place. Let's copy that, Ctrl C, and let's copy, Ctrl V, and let's paste that over there, and let's bring this over here. Let's change our fonts to Area Nova like that, and let's put that this font type to the light. Okay, and let's reduce the tallness to 100. Okay, and then the size of the font, let's reduce that. Okay, hold down Shift and Alt, and let's drag this in a little bit to something like that, and then we can then position this over here. Let's decrease that a little bit again. Okay, open this, and let's bring the tallness to 110. Okay, and then let's change that to bold. Okay, so that we'll see what is happening to that. Now let's change the color to black, and then let's hit on OK. Now the next thing is let's duplicate this, Ctrl J, and let's duplicate that. Pick your type tool and highlight all. Let's copy this, copy that, and paste that over here like that. Now open this up like that. Okay, now let's go and change the font to Times New Romans, and change that to Times New Romans, and then let's put that on bold, bold italic. Okay, now let's center this and that. Okay, over there like this. Okay, pick your type tool and let's make a dot like that over there. Now reduce the size of the dots. Now move this to this very end. And reduce the tallness to 100. Position that. Let's zoom in. And let's reduce it again. Okay. Okay. And then let's zoom in. Alright. Let's reduce the size a little bit. Okay. Alright, so the next thing, let's pick our type tool again. And let's go to our text and let's copy all of this. Copy that. And let's make a shape here like that. Okay, now paste all of that over there. And let's go to a paragraph over here. And let's choose this paragraph from here. Come back to your character and let's close this. Let's close that. And then okay. Let's put this on 0 and then let's bring this back to regular like that. Okay, now let's increase the space a little bit to 16. Okay, let me quickly do that to 18. Okay, okay, so let's go to paragraph and let's check this out. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, let's change this, the color for this to this color, then hit on OK, hit on OK, and let's position this over here. Alright, now the next thing that we are going to do is let's pick our type tool. Let's go to the text and let's copy this, Ctrl C, and let's copy, Ctrl V, and let's paste that over there. Okay, let's bring this to the down part here like that. Okay, all right, Let's bring it in one more time. Okay, then let me change the font for this to opens, and that should be on bold, semi bold. Okay, and then let me change the color to black. Hit on OK. Now Ctrl J and let me duplicate this. Ctrl J and let me duplicate, and let's drag the duplicated one here. Take your type tool, go back and let's copy this. Ctrl C and let's copy. Ctrl V and let's paste that over there. Alright, now let's go back to our shape tool and let's pick a rectangle tool and let's make a shape like this. Change the color from here to black. Let's move it straight to this. Select the shape and that, and let's center the two. Ctrl J and let's duplicate that shape, and let's drag the duplicated shape to this end like that. Then hit on this. Alright, so guys, that is the design that I want to share with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also leave your comments in the comment section below for more videos to come your way. See you in my next video. Bye bye.